Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are working with a skunk patch wig. This wig has been trending for a little while, and I see a lot of y'all experimenting on y'all real hair with this patch, whether it's blonde, red, blue, all different types of colors. So I was kind of excited to do this because y'all know I'm not dyeing my hair. So when I went ahead and bleached the knots, because I did not do that on camera, I also tone the patch. The patch was a little bit more brassy, a bit more orange, but I don't like that at all. So I just went in with the Shimmer Light shampoo and I just toned the patch while I toned the lace to bring the brassiness down out the knots, and it came out super perfect. So now it's like this very pale type of brown, like what's the color I'm looking for? Like a dirty blonde. Like, it's really cute. Also, another thing that I really liked about this wig, that it was so easy to pluck. I wish it took me this long to pluck any wig. I literally plucked this wig in probably like less than 5 minutes, which is unbelievable. Literally, it came out super fire. Super fire. And it was also textured as well. So I'm like, is this like yucky? But I didn't really know. But all I know is it was textured, and when I pressed it out and blew it out, it was so nice and pretty. It reminded me of like an African American girl's hair texture. It was so pretty. So I just spritz it with a little bit of hair and hair oil, and I just let everything do what it do. Now, when the heat hit the hair with those little products in it, it's gonna make it look so naturally luxurious. It's not gonna look too oily. It's not gonna look any of that. It's gonna look like a fresh blowout, basically, is what I'm getting at. So that was the goal, and I'm just trying to blow dry it as straight as I can. Now, when it comes to the layering, I did so many videos about layering, but all I did was section the hair off. I put it at a 90-degree angle and I cut it. I'm not a cosmetologist. I literally learned this by myself on looking up stuff on YouTube. Actually, I'm lying. I learned this from taking a class, and then I found other videos about it on YouTube. It's really not that hard to find, but that's what I wound up doing. And I did want longer I mean, I did have long layers, but I did want the layers to be a bit more layered. So what I should have done was brought it 180 degrees over the side of the head. So if I'm starting the curls in the sections on the left, then I'll bring it all the way over to the right and then cut it, like something like that. No, I've never tried it before, but it just kind of makes sense of how I'm doing it now. It just might give it more a layered look. So I don't know, but that's pretty much what I'm doing for the duration of this video, just sectioning and etc. So now I'm just taking the hair and I'm curling it with my I think I forgot what inch this curling iron is, but I'm pretty sure it's the biggest babyless curling iron, and this is best for coarse textured hair if you want to give it like a nice press out. Like, it works really nice. I was recommended this product from the girl that I learned it from as well. So that's all. Like, let me just go in and use this. Now, the only issue that I kind of did have with the hair was that it was shedding a bit. I'm not sure if, I'm not really sure why, to be honest, but I definitely got a bit of shedding, but it wasn't too bad once I finished styling and everything. So I don't know if it was because it was fresh out the box. I'm not sure if it got wet. I don't know what happened, but it didn't give me too much shedding after the fact. So it could have just been a little thing, who knows, but I definitely wanted to let y'all know about that. So now that my hair is all oiled down, which is what you see, I'm going to be taking some edge control and I'm going to apply that to my edges, because today I'm going to be using a new product which you're going to see very soon. And I wanted to make sure that I had to do what I had to do when it came down to the care of my hair. I'm in the process of trying to get my hair more thicker, so I'm trying to oil my hair every single time before I do an install. Sometimes I forget and sometimes I keep going, but now I'm really trying to, like, keep up and stuff like that. So Don't mind my hair looking a little crazy. I'm gonna be rebraiding it more often and stuff like that, but that's just what it's given right now. As far as my bowl cat method, honestly, y'all, I wish I would have just used the glue for my whole hairline because I was going to be switching the wig out. But this time I just did the sides and I used the Got To Be spray just for the middle so I could just work a little bit faster. They pretty much work just as fast as the other, to be honest. The glue dries pretty fast and so does the spray, so it is both very convenient. It's just if you use the adhesive, the cap will last so much longer, and if you use the spray, it'll last, but eventually it's only holding spray. So if you sweat enough and stuff like that, it's going to start rolling back, and you do not want that. So today I'm using Boho Liquid Gold, and this was the first time I was using this product. It kind of reminds me of the Got To Be gel that we used to use when we first started doing frontals, which is so funny to me. But I kind of have mixed feelings about it. I don't like the shiny finish that it gave me when I was finished due to me applying the gel a little bit too much in front of my frontal, so I feel like I have to be more careful with that. But as far as the hold, I guess it's average. This is my honest thoughts. I just really want to work with it more and see how it best suits me. But right now I'm probably gonna give it a 6 out of 10. I don't know if I'll change my mind. I don't know if I'm gonna stick to it, but that's just how I'm feeling right now about this product. They having a whole party. They like, let me hear you scream. They screaming. Get the fuck from my window. They is having a whole party downstairs. I didn't want to do baby hair, so it's nothing ready to hold down. I just wanted to assure the security of the liquid gold. And I did use a touch, literally a touch of the olive oil spray, but that was in certain spots, and it literally was like a little bit like a fingertip or a little, you know, a little bit as you can see. But the hairline looks pretty good. I just don't like in some lights, like maybe if I turn this way, it's a little bit shiny, like I can see it and it bothers me, but I don't want to put too much product on it because then that'll definitely like just make it shown. So I'm gonna just leave it like over here. I definitely see it. I probably will wipe that over, then my makeup is gonna come off, so I'm gonna just leave it alone. But yes, y'all, this is what it's given, and it's so cute. Like, it would have been so cute if I did do baby hairs with this look, like a big baby hair, but this look kind of gives, it gives grown and sexy. Like, it gives no baby hairs. Every hairstyle does not need to have baby hairs, so that's why I'm not gonna be doing any baby hairs on this. I am gonna be like moving the hair around, just trying to you know, frame my face a little bit better. Well, not frame my face, but define my hairline a little bit better. Make sure it looks a little bit natural, a little bit more natural. So I'm gonna take this out right here, and I'm just gonna, I want us to try a little something different. So I started curling from the bottom and just rolled it to the top. I'm not sure what difference it really would have, but I just wanted to try it out just to see what I might get. All right, y'all, so if I don't stop now, I'm gonna be curling all day, but this hairstyle is so cute. This skunk wig is so cute and trendy. I see a lot of girls dyeing their natural hair, doing the patch, and I know a lot of girls used to do that back in the day. It's nothing new. It's just a trend that's resurfacing, so I really like this, and this is a better look of the hair down. I'm gonna take some cute pictures for y'all. And yeah, this is what it's giving. Ooh, look at this. It's just so much to do with this hair, like especially layers. I just love me some layers, especially once these layers drop. It's gonna be super cute. So with that being said, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Let me know what you guys think about this look down below in the comments, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all, thanks for watching. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing this nice blown out curled look. I know I'm gonna play with it. I'm gonna just be doing all types of boom boom boom, but this look was very much a vibe, and I didn't really know what I wanted to do with it at first, but I'm actually happy that I did this cute little look. So if y'all want to know how I got this look, these layers and these curls, and how I installed this wig, because I definitely used a new product, make sure you stay tuned.
Got a bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now.